Good morning, learners. Welcome to your maths class. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, learners, in the previous class, we have done our chapter 1. Now, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 2, that is fraction. So, everybody, open your maths book on the page number 16. So, here we have to given the introduction about the fraction. So basically, what is the fraction? Do you know what is the fraction? Look, fraction are one of the most important concepts in mathematics. As you have studied in earlier classes that what is fraction, but now in this chapter we will study more about fraction. So first, what is fraction? Fraction is a part of anything or any object or any number we can say. Okay, तो फ्रैक्शन क्या है? एक किसी भी थिंग का और वी कैन से किसी भी नंबर का और किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का क्या है? एक हिस्सा है. क्या है? एक हमारा हिस्सा है और वी कैन से दैट पार्ट है. फ्रैक्शन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट होल थिंग. और सपोज वी हैव अ सर्कल. If I divide the circle into two parts, that means this. So as you can see here, the circle is divided into two parts. That is, first part is this and the second part is this. Now, if I divide it further into two equal parts like this. So how many parts are there? There are four parts. That is 1, 2, 3 and the 4. If I shaded the first part of it, that means this. So which part is shaded? The first part out of four equal parts. So what will be the fraction? The fraction will become 1 over 4 because the total part is 4, and so we write 1 over 4 like this. If I shaded the second part also, this one. So how many parts are shaded? 2 by 2 parts are shaded over out of 4 equal parts. So we write 2 over 4. Or we can also say that out of 4 equal parts, 2 parts are shaded. That means the half of circle are shaded. So what do you mean by half? Half का मतलब क्या होता है? That is 1 over 2. It means half. Half का means 1 over 2. That means out of 2 parts, 1 part is shaded. So we write 1 over 2. And if I shaded all 3 parts out of 4 part, then we write 3 over 4 because out of 4 parts, 3 parts are shaded. And if we shaded all the parts, 4 parts out of 4 parts, then we write 4 over 4. It means 1. That is whole. It becomes whole because in circle all parts are shaded means 1 or whole. Okay, so like this we have to do. और this is the fraction. That means 1 by 4. किसी भी होल का या किसी भी कलेक्शन का कुछ पार्ट या फिर कुछ हिस्सा ही हमारा क्या कहलाता है? फ्रैक्शन कहलाता है. So now let come to the book. Now see the example that we say a half cup of milk. So it means half cup of milk. That means half means 1 by 2. 1 part out of 2 equal parts. Similarly, 1 upon 4 of a rupee. 1 rupee में कितने पैसे होते हैं? 1 rupee is equals to 100 पैसे. So 1/4. 100 पैसे का कितना? 1/4 क्या कहलाएगा? फ्रैक्शन कहलाएगा. ऐसे ही 2/3 ऑफ अ किलोमीटर, किलोमीटर में कितना होता है मीटर, 1000, सो 2/3 ऑफ अ 1000 मीटर, so it means it is a fraction. So next 2 whole 1/2 मीटर ऑफ क्लॉथ, क्लॉथ का इतना पार्ट और इतना हिस्सा क्या कहलाएगा, फ्रैक्शन कहलाएगा, etc. are the examples of fraction. So here we can define a fraction as a part of the whole or collection. Example, 1 hour consists of 60 minutes. 1 hour में कितने होते हैं मिनट्स, 60 होते हैं. So 1 minute is a fraction of an hour. How? If 1 hour contains 60 minutes, so 1 minute contains 1/60 of an hour. Okay. So a fraction consists of two parts. अब देखो फ्रैक्शन तो हमने पढ़ लिया, बट फ्रैक्शन कंसिस्ट किससे हुआ है, टू पार्ट्स हैं फ्रैक्शन में. दैट मीन्स एक जो ऊपर होता है और एक नीचे होता है. The number which is written on the top is called numerator, and the number which is written in the down called denominator. As you can see example 2/7. So 2 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. Okay, so fractions सबको समझ में आया. What is the fraction? And the fraction consists of two parts. That means first part is numerator and the second part is denominator. Now let us study about the types of fraction. So a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator, वो फ्रैक्शन जिसमें जो हमारा न्यूमरेटर है उसकी वैल्यू क्या होती है, कम होती है, लेस होती है, किससे, देन द डिनोमिनेटर से, आर कॉल्ड प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. क्या कहलाता है वो हमारा, प्रॉपर कहलाता है. एग्जाम्पल 3/7, as you can see that 3 is less than 7. 2/9, you can see 2 is less than 9. 1/8, 1 is less than 8. So these are the proper fraction. Okay. Now the second, improper fraction. Improper fraction कौन से होंगे हमारे, a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator, okay, is called an improper fraction. The example is here 3/2. That means जो हमारा 3 है वो क्या है, बड़ा है किससे, 2 से. 6/4, 6 बड़ा है 2 से. 15/11, 15 बड़ा है 11 से. So these are the examples of improper fraction. Now the mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? An improper fraction can be converted into a mixed fraction and vice versa. मतलब जो हमारा ये होता है improper fraction, देखो इसमें क्या है कि जो ऊपर लिखा हुआ है वो बड़ा है, नीचे क्या है, छोटा है. So we can divide 3/2 easily. So when we divide 3/2, we get the answer. Which one? 1 whole 1/2. As 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. So gives 3/2. So this improper fraction converted into mixed fraction. तो इसको ही हम बोलते हैं मिक्स फ्रैक्शन, जिसमें हमारे 3 टाइप्स के नंबर होते हैं. One is written on the middle, second one is written on the top, and the third one is written on the denominator. Okay. So these fractions are called mixed fraction. Proper fraction having 1 as the numerator is called unit fraction. अब हम पढ़ेंगे किसके बारे में, यूनिट के बारे में. यूनिट फ्रैक्शन मीन्स प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में अगर हमारा टॉप पे क्या लिखा होता है, 1 लिखा होता है, यानी कि इन द न्यूमरेटर में 1 लिखा होता है. सो वी कैन से इट इज अ यूनिट फ्रैक्शंस. नाउ द अदर फ्रैक्शंस आर लाइक एंड अनलाइक. सो व्हाट आर लाइक फ्रैक्शंस? Like fractions with the same denominator. In the fraction which contain same denominator are called like fraction. Like this: 2/5, 3/5, 6/5, 7/5. as you can observe that the denominator is 5 and it is the same, so these are called like fraction, and in which the denominator is different are called unlike fraction. Okay learners.